Ninjatrader versus chart. Ninjatrader is highly regarded for its modern use interface, broken integration, and intuitive features that make it ideal for beginners and intermediate level traders. It's particularly favored among active futures traders, offering advanced order flow tools, a customizable DOM, and built-in brokerage services that streamline everything from charting to execution. Its proprietary scripting language, NinjaScript, allows for automation, strategy building, and third-party plugin support, though it may represent a learning curve for non-coders. By contrast, Chart is a powerhouse of raw performance, low latency, and total customization. While its interface may appear dated to some, it's engineered for stability, speed, and precision, which is why it's heavily used by institutional traders, quants, and data analysts. It allows deep control over chart studies, tick-by-tick data complex custom indicators, and automation through ACSIL, its advanced C++ like scripting interface, or via spreadsheets for those who prefer non-code-based setups. Shera also supports a wide range of data feeds and brokers, giving traders more flexibility and independence, especially those managing multi-broker environments or executing across multiple asset classes. Shera's edge becomes more evident in backtesting accuracy, resource efficiency, and high-speed data processing, especially on lower-end machines or large-scale setups. Traders who build algorithmic strategies or require precision control over every aspect of their data pipeline tend to gravitate towards Shera. However, the learning curve is much steeper, its documentation is throughout but dense, and support is more technical than hand-holding. On the other hand, NinjaTraders offers extensive tutorials, community support, and smoother onboarding experience for retail traders. It also boasts a more polished visual design, offering features like strategy optimization, reply testing, and trade journaling in a user-friendly package. Yet, it ties closely to its brokerage ecosystem, limiting broker diversity. When it comes to mobile access, both platforms fall short. Neither has a true mobile app, requiring desktop or remote access, while NinjaTrader excels in order entry and workflow simplicity. Share wins in customization, analytics, and engineering control. Another critical area of difference between NinjaTrader and SheraChart lies in data integrity and historical testing. SheraChart's ability to hunt tick-by-tick historical data with high precision makes it ideal for traders who rely on highly granular analysis, such as those developing volume profile strategies, footprint charts, or order flow-based scalping system. Its integration with the Denali data feed and Teton order routing offers institutional-grade speed and reliability, which is often necessary for low-latency trading environments. NinjaTrader, while offering solid replay and historical data features through its market replay tool, does not match Shera's capability in this regard. Moreover, Shera allows for simulated trading direct from historical data with real-time synchronization, something that appeals to algorithmic and high-frequency traders performing deep research and live environment modeling. In terms of multi-asset and multi-time frame analysis, Shera again offers an advantage through its chartbook system. allowing users to run dozens or even hundreds of charts simultaneously with low resources consumption. This is particularly beneficial for traders monitoring correlations across futures, forex, and crypto, or for its institution running statistical arbitrage setups. NinjaTrader can support multi-instruments setup too, but its performance may degrade when managed extensive layouts, especially on less powerful machines. Shara's platform is also known for being portable and lightweight, with fast installation, simple migration between computers, and robust backup options for chart books and custom studies. For traders managing multiple workstations or backup system, this level of mobility is a major operational benefit. Another key distinction is the flexibility in broker and data feed connectivity. Shara supports multiple simultaneous broker connection, which is vital for traders deploying hedge strategies, dual brokers routing, or arbitrage trades. Ninja traders, on the other hand, encourages users to trade through NinjaTrader brokerage, limiting the freedom to easily switch or connect to multiple external brokers. While this is simplifies things to newer traders, it can be limiting for professionals who prefer broker neutrality. Shara's open platform approach gives users complete autonomy over their infrastructure, something that seasoned traders offer demand. From a developer's perspective, Shara chart is clearly built with engineers and coders in mind. Its support for ACSIL scripting, custom DLLs, and third-party API integrations make it ideal for institutional teams building proprietary indicators for fully automated systems. Additionally, Shara offers spreadsheet-based strategy design and feature beloved by traders who prefer not to code but still want the power of conditional logic and backstable. Ninja Traders Ninja script based on SIP number is powerful and more approachable for coders familiar with object-oriented programming, but may present barriers for non-technical users or those without prior scripting experience. Ultimately, the decisions comes down to your trading identity. If you are just starting out, trade primarily futures, and want a visually clear, integrated solution with built-in brokerage and support, NinjaTrader is the superior choice. But if you are an experienced trader, quantitative analyst, or system developer who values open architecture, execution precision, and data transparency, Shara is unmatched. Many professional traders even use both Ninja Traders for discretionary trading and Shara for strategy testing or real-time analysis. In short, Ninja Trader is designed for accessibility while Shara is built for mastery. So that's it.